Hey guys, Chris from Provo Beast Audio Installation, and today we're at the Metra booth at CES 2020 here in Las Vegas. We're checking out some of the new dash kits that they have here available that were released this year. Some for older vehicles that now have a solution for single and double DIN units. Let's check them out. One of the dash kits is for Jeep Cherokee XJ from 97 to 2001, commonly known for the single DIN factory bezel. What they've come out with is a new aftermarket double DIN accommodation to allow you to install your double DIN of choice. Made with ABS plastic, painted to match the factory look. It's also manufactured right here in the US. If you want to pick up one of these kits yourself, it's the Metra 95-6554B. Check it out on Metra's website or through your local dealer.